Here I have ZTE Blade 10 Prime, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to enter system section, go to the languages and input, language, add a language. Here you have the whole list of languages in which you can set up your device. Let's select, for example, Polish, and then what you have to do is to drag the Polish language on top, and the language will be changed automatically. If you want to change it back to English, just go to the ustawienia, then to System, Języki i metody wprowadzania, Języki, and drag English back on top. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.